Welcome back, guys. My name is Ambassador Chicks. For if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm a forex trader. I'm starting a journey of zero USDT to over $100,000 here, and I'm documenting every journey here, starting from the day you are seeing my video. So guys, on today's video I want to quickly drop a very quick important teaching on how to spot out the correct zone that you should be able to wait for market if you are trading SMC or whatever strategy you are trading, right? How to spot out the right zone, especially for SMC traders, how to spot out the right zone and be able to wait for price to come to you at that zone. So that's what you are looking at today. So let's quickly dive into the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be dropping good educational content that will help you to scale up in your trading, and good motivations that will also encourage you in your trading journey. Let's move into the chat.
Alright guys, welcome back. So this is GBPJPY. Like you all know, that's the pair I trade, right? That's the pair I trade. So this is GBPJPY, and we are currently on a daily time frame. Meanwhile, I'm using a free backtesting software, which is Traders Casa, right? Traderscasa.com. Just search it on your website. You can just search it on your Chrome browser. You'll see it, and you can use it to backtest for free, and it gives you a track record of your trading. So which I will be dropping video for that later after this video. I'm dropping video of my track record, my data so far, right? So let's quickly look into the chart. So here we are on the daily time frame, and we can see that we saw that price actually broke structure here as a break of structure for me, and then we can see this zone. This is the last order block that price built after this imbalance. We can see imbalance here. This an imbalance, the gap between these two candles. So if you don't know what imbalance is, I'm going to be doing a video explaining what an imbalance is. So basically this is our imbalance, right? So price have come to mitigate our order block. As soon as price mitigates our order block, we can see that there is a structure shift here. This is the last low. This is the low that caused this break of structure here. And what do we see? We see that price did what? Price took out that low. Price have taken out that low, right? So that means we are basically strongly in an uptrend. So going back to 4 hours time frame, on 4 hour time frame, we can see this is where price took out us. This is where price gave us a structure shift on higher time frame. So here we have price so here we have price reacting to this zone again, right? Then we see very well that market actually reacted strongly bullish, indicating that buyers are back in the market after price tried to disorganize this zone, right? So we see that markets gave us this break here, giving us another shift back to the upside, which indicates that price is currently moving in what? Price is currently moving in an uptrend at the moment. So right now, what do we expect? So for me, we have this zone here. We have this zone here. We have this little imbalance, right? But for me, this right now is not valid. For me, this is not valid. Why did I say it's not valid? In expecting an imbalance, I need to see a candle form, then another candle follows, right? Then another one below, right? So the gap here is my imbalance. The gap here is my imbalance. But looking at this, we'll see that this is just a long bullish candle. So my order block is going to be this red candle here. That's going to be my order block, right? That's where I'm anticipating price to come and react. So you can see as soon as price started, what happened? Price reacted to the upside. Price reacted to the upside. So right now, what are we looking at for? If we look at these candles now, you see that there is no place that price is filling up all the insufficiency or inefficiency, right? All the gaps, all the imbalances, price is filling. So let's go down to 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, remember we have spotted that our price is currently in a bullish trend. So right now we are looking to follow the market trend, right? So here, look at this, guys. We have this first zone here. You know, if you have marked out this zone and wanted to take trade from here, price could have taken you out. Then we have another zone here. we have another zone here. So what are we anticipating? Where are you thinking that price will react from? So looking at this, we want to see if price has mitigated the zone. Price almost mitigated it, right? So here we can see price reacting from this one. That's why sometimes it's very good to use confirmation entry, especially when you are not sure of the zone, right? So one thing you have to look out for before you mark your zone is price. Market tends to move this way. Market tends to move this way. When price pushes up, expect a retracement. That retracement will build liquidity, and then the price will push again. Expect price to come and take this retracement, because they expect price to come and take out this low, because that's liquidity level, right? Even if price builds something like this, pushes up again, builds something like this, in future expect price to come and clear all of them and then still push up. So all these zones here, all these lows, they are liquidity level, right? They are liquidity level. So many times you see price move this way, you see price push, or you see price do something like this. Right? So what is price actually looking for? There will be an order block here, right? Price is just looking to clear this liquidity level. This is a liquidity level, right? This is liquidity level. I'm going to be doing a separate video explaining about liquidity, right? The reason why I'm just making this is for the emphasis for you to get a right zone. I just want to do that, but I'm going to make a separate video explaining in details liquidity, types of liquidity, right? And how to use liquidity for your confirmation entry. So price will always sweep that liquidity, tap on your zone, and then react to the upside. So many times you need to wait to see if, let's say you have a zone here and then you have another zone below. So how do you now take this trade? That's where you need to wait for price to give you a confirmation entry, right? Before you can then long in. That's where you need that confirmation entry. So right now, let's go back to the charts. So here we have price. Let's quickly take this out. So here we have price reacted here, right? Let's pay attention very well. So price have already filled the imbalance here. The imbalance here has been filled, right? This imbalance has been filled with this weak candle. So let's see what price does. Let's play the candle. Let's just 1 minute. Let's make it as fast as possible. So all right, let's go to 15 minutes and see what price is doing there. So here on 15 minutes we have price building up, right? See price push, pull back. Right now we saw this sweep of liquidity to the upside, then price came back, right? So let's just see what price got to offer. That's nice, that's good. So right now we have seen price have taken off, right? Price has taken off. So what else are you waiting for? We have this here. This is a clean order block. We have this imbalance here. So we have another imbalance here, but I'm not interested on that one, right? So why did I say I'm not interested on that one? When price pushes up, leaving an inefficiency, then price does something like this, pushes up, right? Leaving another inefficiency, right? When price is retracing, I'm not expecting this inefficiency here to hold price. Sometimes price might just do something like this and then boom, take it out, come back to fill that lower one before continuing to the upside. So the one above is usually inducement. The liquidity, the imbalance above, just like this. For people that take trade with imbalance, let's say they mark this zone now and they're waiting for price to come back here to tap them in, right? Price is going to use them as inducement. They are going to be inducement level, because this is where I'll be anticipating price, because after this imbalance there is no other imbalance below, right? Rather what we see, price swept this zone, so I can't consider anything here. I will still have to wait for price to come back for me, right? So please pay attention very well. This thing is going to help your trading, sincerely speaking. So let's play back price, and we need to wait patiently, because price is definitely going to take a very long time. It's going to take long time. What is price coming to do? We see that price is coming to take out this liquidity level. This is where patience comes in the market, because we didn't enter in this move, so we have already missed this move, right? So price is going to sweep liquidity above before retracing. So let's just see. Let's see. You see, price have taken it out. That's when you will now start expecting a retracement if price will retrace. Keep watching. You see how price is still pushing up. We missed the move, so there is nothing to force, right? That's trading for you. We have already missed the move. There is nothing to force. We are not forcing anything. So you can see where price is heading to. Remember, we are in an uptrend, right? You can see where price is actually heading to. So let's play. I would like to increase the time so that it can be as fast as possible. Okay, we are having that retracement coming. So this is a 4 hour time frame. Let's go back to 1 hour. We are having that retracement coming, right? Very nicely. So right now, I'm expecting this to serve as liquidity level. You see, for me, the price is engineering liquidity here. But let's see. All right, so we can see that price is gradually coming to our zone. It's coming very gradually. This is where patience comes in, guys. Patience. You need to understand this. Patience. You need to wait. See, the day we marked out this zone was on 1st of May 2025. This is 6th of May. 5 days gap. You need to wait. Every day is not a trading day. So price is already reacting. Nice. Price have come to our zone. You see, how many days did it take? 5 days for price to come to our zone. And this is 8 a.m. in the morning, which is a very nice, lovely time to take trade. So let's see how the candle is going to react on that zone. Very good. It's time to take our trades, guys. That's how I take my trades. So here we have this low. Here. And then we have this high being our liquidity, being our external liquidity. So our trading range is here to here, right? So here we have our longing position. Okay, this short position. Let's go. Longing position. Stop loss below this, and our TP, we are targeting this high. That's 1:3 point something. So let's place the trade immediately. Instant market. So let's place the trade. So like I said, this backtesting software, so it gives you everything you need. Like it gives you every breakdown of the data, right? Every breakdown of the data. So once you're in a trade, there is nothing to panic. This is where there is nothing to panic. Hence your analysis is correct. Allow market to dance within your entry. Don't panic anything. Leave your trade there. Leave trade. Allow it to run. Even if it hits your SL, there is no problem. But trade, once you are sure of your analysis, there is nothing to be afraid of, right? There is nothing to be afraid of. Price will dance around your region. It will dance around your entry to test your patience. Leave it there. Allow it to run. Allow trade to move. It moves gradually. And the next thing is what? Tap the external liquidity. Boom. Okay, I'll spot another zone. Watch. This is how to trade, guys. Our trade is still running. But I have seen this another block. I've seen this. Watch how I'm going to catch another trade now. And this is my imbalance. Sorry, this is my imbalance here. I have this gap here. This is my liquidity level. This is a liquidity level for me. Right? I have this liquidity level. So this liquidity level here, this is my imbalance. Let me take it out. This liquidity level here, I'm using it to take another trade. I'm longing from here. Stop loss below the zone. Targeting the same external high. This is 1:2.29. I'm going to take it. I'm placing the trade immediately. Limit market. I'm placing the trade. So let's play and see how everything goes. Price have triggered us. So watch trade. Very beautiful. Nicely. Boom. We have hit our TP. Price have hit our TP. So this market jumping this weekend, Friday, between Friday to Monday, that's why market jumped. So we have smashed. See, we have just made, look at what we have just made, because this backtesting software, so I started with 10,000 accounts, so we just made 5.6% in these two trades. That's how it works. Everything is simple, sweet, and so once you have your order block, you have your liquidity level, take your trade. There is nothing to fear. There is nothing to fear at all. So we go back to a higher time frame to spot what price is, what price looks like. Remember, we waited patiently for 6 days for price to return back to us, right? And then we got it. Very sweet. So we'll still have to patiently wait in future for price to return back again. We have to wait, right? It doesn't matter how long it takes, the waiting is important. So our horizontal ray, we are done using it. So right now we have gotten a break of structure. This is a break of structure, boom. And then this is now our new low, because this low caused this break of structure. So this low, the work of this low is done, right? The work of this low, we are done with it. So this is our new order block that will be expecting price to come. Sometimes if you're a swing trader, you can even set your order. Let's say you're a swing trader, you may not have time during the week, right? And you analyze on Sunday or Saturday. This is your trade for you. This is your trade. Just place your pending order and go to bed. Let price take its time to come back for you and then go your direction. It's as simple as that. We don't need to complicate anything. So, but let's play the candles. Let's see. Imagine I'm still holding that trade. But there is no imagination. We don't need to imagine, because we have targets what we look out for, right? So let's wait and see if price will come back for us. Patience is a key, guys. Patience is a key. Is a key in this game. Patience is a key in this game. Very powerful tool. No matter how long it takes, you need to wait. This zone, no matter how long it takes, patient. That's why if you can be disciplined enough to be trading one pair, it will help you so much. But if you can't trade one pair, still okay for you. All we know is be profitable, be making the money from the market. That's all. That's the most important thing. Just keep watching price. Keep watching price coming back gradually. It will definitely come back, because we know what market is looking for. We have liquidity level here. We have imbalance. So we know what is driving market. What drives market is liquidity imbalance. So it will always come back. So this 2 hours time frame. You can even catch a sell. But many times I advise you stick to the main market direction, because if you are trying to catch a correctional move, many times it can be very tricky. Markets might just be going, the next you see one candle slash up, clear everybody, and still continue selling. So it's better to follow the market direction, right? That's my own. Sometimes I do go against the market too. Yes, I do go against the market too with confirmations. So we can see strong bullish reactions. All these things is just to make you jump inside trade. There is nothing to jump. There is nothing to be. See, imagine somebody dropped into this trade. They could have taken break even by now or stop loss. That's trading for you. It will make you panic. It will make you fear. It will make you feel like market is leaving you and all those stuff. So for me, what price is building here now is a liquidity that it will come and take. That's for me. That's liquidity. Price have taken this liquidity out and it has built another one is going to use and cap this zone. So okay, look at this. I just saw this now. Price has come back to this other block. From here now you can get a sell. Okay, let's see if we can get a sell from here. Boom. Price just pushed up to fill this imbalance here, to fill up this gap, and then it has dropped. I wouldn't want to take this trade though, but because it already dropped, assuming I caught it here, I wouldn't want to take it. So let's just wait for price to give us a buy. All right, nicely price filled this imbalance. So at this point, let's try a sell. But I'm just doing this. Don't do this in the market. Yes, don't do this in the market. Let's just see 1:2. Why do I want to sell, or why do I desire to sell? Because price is already selling, and this is 5:45. I don't trade by this time in the morning. This is 9 o'clock. So yes, at this hour I used to trade by 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'll take an entry from here and I'll target. Alright guys, I'm sorry my backtesting, sorry, my screen recording mistakenly ended it. It wasn't intentional. So guys, looking at this now, right? Remember we are still anticipating price to come back here. Like, always have in mind that in the future price will always come back. Even if it doesn't come back at that moment, it will always come back, right? It will always come back. So I was trying to look out for a sell here, but going against the trend, I'm not really comfortable with it. So let me not use that ball the game, right? So let's just see how the market goes. So right now we are on 4 hours time frame, and we still have this other block here where price reacted. We have this here, price reacted from there. So sometimes price might just react from there and move from there. It will not come back to this one, but always know that in future price will always come back to this particular one, because it has all it takes, right? We have imbalance, we have liquidity, We have break of structure. Do you understand? So even if price doesn't come, if this one continues to push price up, there is no issues, right? So let's quickly play the candles. All right, you see, this is one of the reasons I said I don't want to go against the trend. Imagine I took that trade from there, price gravitates me out. Okay, look at, we have this zone here. We have this zone here, and price, we can see that price, this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure, and below, this is a change of character. For correctional move, not that the market is downtrend. For correctional move, then price came to this demand zone and started pushing up. So let's see how price will react here. Okay, price is currently at that zone. Let's see how price reacts. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and see how price is reacting there. So if peradventure price breaks this, if price takes out this low, if price takes it out, then I'll sell. Let's see. Boom, price are taking it out. Price are taking it out. So there'll be a short sell, right? I'll just go in, look for 1-3. I don't need to wait for price to retrace again, because price might not retrace again. So this is around 8 a.m. in the morning, and it's a very nice time to enter a trade. So we are shorting. I'm taking a short. My stop loss is going to be above, and then I'm going to target 1:3. 1:3. It may not really be up to 1:3, but I'm just going to target this level here. So let's place the order immediately. I'm placing a limit order so that price will trigger me. So let's see how price goes. It has been triggered. You see, imagine I was trying to still wait for price to pull back before I would take the entry. So at this point, I'll do what? I'll break even my trade, because I have price is already, this is the liquidity that price is coming to take. Sure, price is coming to take it. That's why the reason why I said I can't be able to get 1:3 is because I'm targeting this liquidity level. This is the closest liquidity level that I know that price will surely take it out. So let's see. Remember, trade will always test your patience. It will always test your patience. But if you know what you are doing, you will not panic, because you know that no matter what price wants to do, there is a level is targeting. That's it. Sweet. Smash your TP. Why am I so confident? Because this is a liquidity level. Price must take out that liquidity. Is a must. Hence, price is in that direction. That's the only level. That's the only place price is coming to hunt out. So even if price, let's say price dropped up to this level and then came back here, I will not still close. I will still leave it until it will come back, because that's the level it's targeting. That's where patience and discipline comes in. Let's say you are in this trade now. Some of you, if you are in this trade, once you see price dropping, and then the next thing you now see this aggressive push, you now go and close your trade with speed, run out of the chart. The next thing when you come back, you see that price has smashed your TP. Patience and discipline is very crucial. Allow price to dance, even if it's dancing around your entry. Don't mind it. Even if it's doing like this, leave it. Just one slash, it will smash your TP. Hence your analysis is correct and the bias is correct, right? Then when it wants to hit your SL, let it hit your SL. There is no do before you enter that trade. You are willing to lose $10. So if you now lose the $10, you're not going to die. The reason why you panic so much when you're in a trade is because you're over risking. You are risking more than you can bear. So let's see the lesson where price is heading to. So let's go back to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, we have then this zone now have not become our next liquidity that we're targeting price to come and take. This is a very sweet liquidity level that we're targeting price to come and take. So right here we have this gap that market created. So sometimes price might just react from this gap and start going back to the upside. But let's just see what price does. You see price is reacting from that. Let's see if there is any zone there on 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame we have this. And price is currently on it. Guys, just watch how to catch trades. Nice setup. It's not cock and bull. Nice setups. So right now price have touched on this one, and you can see aggressive push to the upside. But for me, I will not enter immediately, right? I will not enter immediately so that I don't hit SL, right? So I'll wait for price to take out this high. Once price takes out this high, it's a full confirmation that the next thing is coming to take in this liquidity. So let's see. You see, imagine I try to jump in here, put my stop loss below. Price will come and hunt me out. So the next high I'm anticipating price to take out now is this one, no longer that one. Why? Because this price has swept this below. Liquidity has been taken out here. We see this liquidity. We see this as liquidity, sweep of liquidity. We see this as sweep of liquidity. I see this as sweep of liquidity. So price has swept liquidity below. So that's what I see. I don't know what you see. I don't know what you are seeing, but I'm seeing it as streak of liquidity. So price has swept that liquidity below. Sorry, let me set up this. So price has swept that liquidity below. I will anticipate it to take out this high before I will consider anything trade. Boom. Price has taken it out. As soon as price has taken it out, I will wait for price to any short retracement I'm in. Let me reduce the fastness. Any short retracement I'm in. Any short retracement I'm in. Sometimes price may not even give you the retracement again. You just continue to bump. And by then you have missed the trade. There is nothing to bother. If you miss it, another one will come. That's trading for you. That's trading for you. If you miss it, another one will come. So at this point now, if you just go jump here, the next price will now retrace all the way back here and hit you out all the way back here. So this is where patience comes in. So let me quickly increase it so that it will be more faster, so we don't waste our time here. You can see that price left us. Okay, that move is coming. Let's see if it's nice. So I'm going to be taking my trade from here. This is a breaker block. This is a breaker block. That's where I'm going to be taking this trade from. Right? Let's see a long position. Why am I taking from here? Because price might not be able to come back here. But even at that, my stop loss will still be below, and my take profit is targeting here. So I place my order. So at market limit. So if price comes there, it triggers me. If it doesn't come, beautiful in the trade right now. Beautiful. So you see price ticking back to that zone. But here I'm already in. So that's it. Let's see how it goes. The next thing is targeting is the liquidity above. Very simple. The liquidity above, that's what price is looking for. It can't come back. So at this point, I can decide to break even. I break even, right? So what is price looking for? The liquidity above. Price can never come back again. It's the liquidity above. It will smash it. Boom. Let's see. That's what is going to take out. It can never come back again. No matter what he's trying to do. No matter the music he's trying to translate. It can never ever come back without TTP. That is it. This is trading for you. There is nothing to complicate. Guys, there is nothing here to complicate. I'm telling you the honest truth. You see, imagine that time price pushed up aggressively. Imagine the time price pushed up aggressively, right? Because it pushed up, you now feel like, hey, price have left me. Oh, you now come and let's say when price push and broke this thing, you now come and enter your trade from here. Targeting here, then putting your stop loss here. You will drop stop loss and price will still go in your direction. That's why a lot of people say that price hit them out and still went in their direction. Why? Because you are entering market at the wrong place and at the wrong time. Once price have taken up, assuming this trade took off without coming back, it will never bother me. That means it's not my trade. It's very simple. That means it is not my trade. Let's understand this and start making money from this market, guys. Alright, let's see what next happens. The next thing I look at, I go back to 4-hour time frame, because once I smash my TP, I want to see another clearer view of the market and what price is doing. Right? So here we have price done this. So let's see what price is definitely going to do next. So remember, price have swept this high. It's now a sweep of liquidity. So let's just draw it. So price have taken it out. So let's see next what price is going to do. Let's see. Let's go to 1-hour time frame and look at price very well. So guys, this is trading for you. So for those that wants to how to mark out or spot out your horizon, imagine you marked here as your zone. Price will take you out. It will take you out. This is a liquidity level. That's your liquidity. This is your liquidity level. Price will take you out. If you had wanted to enter from here, price will take you out and still go your direction. Right? So that's why I advise, whenever you see price moving, always wait for the lower zone. Yes, always wait for the lower zone. You see that lower zone, always wait for price there. Then if you must take an entry, you see this lower one, there will be zone here, but you see this lower one is always the one that price will come from, because all these levels will become what? Engagement level. All these levels will become engagement. Price will use them as liquidity to continue to the upside. Right? So if you can patiently wait for price here, then if you want to take trade here, let's assume you want to take a trade here. So take that out. Let's assume you want to take a trade here. If you want to take a trade there, then make sure you are waiting for a confirmation. Price should give you a confirmation, just like we did here, just like I did here. Right? I need to see that confirmation. Look at it. price swept to the low, broke this high for me. That's the confirmation I needed. Look at it, the same confirmation here. Immediately price broke this low, I told you guys I'm going in. Why? Because it's a confirmation. Because once price have broken that, the next liquidity level price is going to be targeting is the one in that direction. The same thing is applicable here. As soon as price takes out this liquidity, because that's the one. Imagine I was trying to say, okay, I need 1:3, and I'm putting my this thing here. Okay, price could have still tapped it, but I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that liquidity level. I'm looking for that liquidity level. So even if it gives me 1:5, that's where I'm going to put it. If it gives me 1:4, that's where I'm going to put it. If it gives me 1:1, I'm not taking the trade. If it gives me 1:2, I will take, or I will take. Sometimes I will not take. Depends on what I'm looking at for. You understand? So this thing is not as difficult as you think it used to be. It's just your mindset towards it and your fear towards it. That's the honest truth. Your fear, your mindset towards it. So let's see. Let's take let's see if we can get another one more set up. This video is already going to become very long, and well, it's better that it's long and you guys learn, right? So at these days, you don't need to stress anything. There is no trade for you these days. Forget about trade. So let me go to 4-hour time frame and see where price is likely to come back. Okay, let me see here. Let's mark this one here and see what price will do for us. This is where patience comes in, because price, you see that move. You see trading. My God, if you understand this system, of trading. So coming to lower time frame, let's go to 2 hours time frame and see. So on 2 hours time frame, we can see that this is the last place we have. This is the liquidity level here. Price have taken it out. Then this is our imbalance here. This is the last imbalance here. So this is the zone we are anticipating price to come, and price just mitigated it very little, and it's already shifting to the upside. You can see those weekly thresholds. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and see. So on 15 minutes time frame, we can see that price already broken structure to the upside. Price have broken structure to the upside. So let's see what price does. Okay. So this is like a liquidity level. I'm not saying that my strategy is 100% win rate, guys. Please don't misunderstand my video. My strategy is never 100% win rate. I used to take stop losses, right? Sometimes I used to have 5 winning streak. Highest I've had is 5 winning streak, and highest I've lost is 5 losing streaks. You understand? So I'm not saying that my strategy doesn't experience losses or that. You see, price have left us. Okay, let's see if it's come back. So price have already left us. It didn't come back for us again. So that's trading for you, and that's it. So you can wait for this soon in the future, because price is still coming to take out this liquidity level. This is the liquidity level that we anticipate price to come back for. So price is likely to do whatever it wants. You see, that's the liquidity level. So as soon as price, okay, let's see. We have this break of structure here. Remember the level we are targeting is this. We have this break of structure, and we have this zone where price is currently, and we have another zone. We have another zone below. So as a trader, which zone are you going to look out for? As a trader, as a pro, you're a professional trader, which zone are you going to be looking out for trades? Let me allow you to choose. Yes, just choose. Are you going to take this A zone, this B zone? So which of them are you going to take the trade now? If you said A, you are wrong. If you said B, you might be right. So in fact, if you say A, you are right. If you say B, you are right. What will prove you the right person now is the market. For me, I can never want to take from here, rather I'll wait for here. That is me for you. That's me for you. Then let's break the chart. You see, the A held. The A held. That's why I said price is the one to prove you right or wrong. So let's see. Boom. It has smashed TP. It have smashed TP. That is not. So the guys that's trading for you. So what am I trying to say, right? These things, we need to understand it, right? You see, I told you that for me, this is where I'm waiting for it. If it's not coming, bye-bye. I'm not interested. And you see it went boom. This one I held it. So all I will say is not sweep any liquidity. There is no liquidity sweep. There is nothing price still moved. You understand? That's where you need to wait for your strategy to play out in the market. So if your strategy is you need a sweep of liquidity and price to tap your other block, always wait for it. No matter what price is trying to do, always do what? Wait for it. You can see in this backtesting we have grown 11. We have taken $10,000 to $11,000. That is like how many percent? How many percent? We have made 10% profits on this trade. And how many trades did we take? Let's see. We didn't even take any loss. We didn't take any loss. We had first trade, second trade, third trade, fourth. You see, four trades gave us over 10% of the account, right? So that's it, guys. So we need to understand that trading is not as complicated as people used to make it look like. That's the honest truth. It's not as complicated as people used to make it look like. It's a simple game, just that is a mental game. It's a game that you need to build a mindset for. You understand? Okay, look at this trade we took here. Look at this trade we took. You see how price was just dancing within our entry. Price was just dancing within our entry. You could have out of fear and closed the trade. You could have out of fear and closed the trade, and you'll see that it will still go in your direction, and you'll be like, "Kai, trade that was dancing your this thing." Then another thing you need to understand is how to place your stop loss. You see those trades we took. Look at this trade. This is where I marked out a zone, but price came to the right order block. So this is a breakup block. Why do I want to use breakup block? Because price pushed up aggressively. You understand? So I needed to, in order for me to join the trade, price may not be able to come to other blocks. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it doesn't come. So that's why I use this. So imagine I was putting my stop loss below this zone. It will hit me out and still go in my direction. So that was why my low, the low where I'm supposed to put my XL is here. Is here. This weak rejection. That's where I'm supposed to put my XL. And if you check, you see that I even give more gap. So the price might still come here and then boom, 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 go in your favor. So then let's look at the other one. This one we just entered and it went straight. Let's look at the other ones. Alright, look at this trade. You see that price. Imagine I put my stop loss here. Imagine I put my stop loss here below this zone. Price will sweep it and still move. That's why I shifted it. Why did I shift it? Because this is the low that caused that break of structure. So price should not by any means come and take it again. You understand? Some people call it protected low. So this low now, I don't call it protected low because it's not like protected. The price can still come back and hit your SL and still go against you or go in your favor. So this low now is where price cannot come and take. So you see how price, the B came back, take out this zone. You say, your zone has been violated. It has not been violated. Price is trying to shake you. It's trying to make you panic. Imagine you're on this trade and you are seeing your drawdown. You are seeing your drawdown like minus $60, $70. And you now close out of here. The next thing you now see, boom, price push off, boom, 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 boom. The next thing your TP, you will start crying. You will start crying. You will start saying it's your village people. So guys, I believe you must have understood a lot in this video, even though it's too long. Here, just take your time. You can come back to watch it again and again. Let it sink. Let it sink. Let it sink. Understand it very, very well. It's going to help you guys. It's going to truly help your trading. So guys, it's going to truly help your trading.
Thank you so much for watching. I believe you must have learned a lot into this video because I just dished out what some people pay thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars to learn. So I just dished out for free. So watch this video again and again and until it has sunk in very well. Understand the system that you are not here to fear. You are not here to be scared. You are not here to look at what market is doing. You are here to make money. So once you are in your trade, allow your trade to run. Know how to map out your zones. Wait for price to take out liquidity. What price looks out for in the market is liquidity. When price is in an uptrend, look out for the liquidity that the external liquidity that price is coming to take. When price is coming down, look out for the below liquidity that price is coming to take. Price will always come to take liquidity. That's what is moving the market. So guys, in my next video, I'll be making a video explaining the concept of liquidity. I'm going to be dropping a video on my data, my backtesting data. I'm going to be dropping a video, then I'm going to be dropping a video on liquidity. I'm going to do a thorough teaching on liquidity. So thank you so much for watching, and do well to subscribe. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It's very, very important. It's very, very crucial because here I'm going to be dishing out what people pay for mentorship to learn. I'm going to be giving that for free, guys. Peace. I remain Ambassador Chick Sports, so please do well to subscribe to my channel. Share to your friends, share to your community. People you know that this information is going to help their trading. Share to them, and God bless.